The k sound in key. Pronunciation Activation Pack 28. Key, k. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sound k. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the k sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the k sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the k sound correctly. Plosives. The k sound is an unvoiced velar plosive, made by blocking the airflow with the back of the tongue pressed up against the soft back part of the roof of the mouth and then releasing it explosively. The k sound on the chart is shown in blue, which means that it's unvoiced. Letter combinations for k. This unvoiced velar plosive has these combinations: K, C, CC, CH, CK, Q, QU, and X. Practice. I can't stomach the 6 liquors the monks make. Practice. To catch a chicken is quite a quest. Practice. The account sent a bouquet to the bank clerk. Practice. The larynx is commonly called the voice box. Silent K. In some words, the letter K is not sounded and is known as the silent K. The silent K is usually found before the letter N at the beginning of a word. In Old English, the initial K was pronounced. The word night would have been pronounced as knicht. Practice. The knave knifed me in the knee, you know. Practice. Don't knock knitted knickers. Practice. She knocked him to his knees with a knuckle sandwich. Practice. Know you this knackered knight with knobbly knees, knave? Problems for students. Besides the silent letter K, the biggest problem posed by the k sound is when it's contrasted with the g sound. The only difference between the words in these minimal pairs is that of voicing. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at a set of minimal pairs which differ only in the sounds k or g. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.